We had to take a quick break. Look at this. Photo opportunity. Hey Steve, what you shooting? What you shooting? That water, sound gonna mess us up?
Nah.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
Do it again, sorry. Hey, so what did you bring, Steve?
I brought a Nikon D500, which is a crop sensor. And I've got my 10 to 24 for wide angle. It is a floater lens, as I like to call it. And then I've got a 28.
So that's a DX lens.
That is a DX crop sensor lens.
Okay.
And then I have a 28 to 300, which is a FX lens. But
so on that body, it's the equivalent of like a 35 to 450?
450, yeah. So I can reach out and touch somebody.
So everything from...
So it's basically 16 to 400 is... There's just a gap between the 24 and the 28. And it just...
Wow.
And it works perfect. And, you know, for crop sensor, the D500 does an amazing job.
And it's probably just as light as a mirrorless camera, almost as small.
I used to have a mirrorless camera. I ended up going back to this. I just found it a little more versatile, a little more robust too.
Sweet.
With my big old mitts.
That's a nice travel kit, man. Nice setup.
So pretty much the way I travel with it is in my tank bag. And I've got the camera, the backup lens. They can both switch back and forth. And I've got my spare battery on the side.